Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we will be doing yes or no reading. Okay, so it will be a three pile reading. You can pick from number 1, 2 and 3. Okay. For people selected number 1, let's see the answer to your question. Is it yes or no? See, probably the situation where you are in right now, your feelings are involved. You are afraid of hurting people. You are afraid of getting back into the loop. But believe me, go for it. Go for it. It's just an experience. No matter what it takes, you should go for it. And yeah, do not take the decision from a state of immaturity for sure. If you want, take some time. Do not like hasten the whole process, but for sure go for it. Okay. Thank you. For people who selected number 2, let's see what is the answer to your question. This is something related to love life. Something did not work out, something did not work out. You put in all your efforts and it did not work out. Now you might be thinking of either restarting or approaching back the same person. So the answer, is it yes or no? It is yes. Not because it will work out, but because you need some clarity. You need some lessons again from this whole situation. So the answer is yes. You should put in effort again, but do not expect a well defined or a very good outcome. This situation is in your life to teach you something. Gather the lessons, do not get hurt, and keep on moving. But yes, do invest here. Okay. People selected pile 3. Let's see the answer to your question. Is it yes or no? See, if you want to seek knowledge, if you want to see how things work, then it's a whole yes. But if you're looking for some fun, if you're looking for some commitment, if you're looking for some kind of very long term thing, then the answer is no. Okay, so choose very wisely. It is, you are in between. The answer to a question depends on what the situation is according to you and what you want. If you want some kind of knowledge, some kind of lessons, some kind of exposure, the answer is yes, you should go for it. But if you're looking for something very stable and some fun and commitment, then no, then it is a no, because I don't see any kind of good things or fun in a way that you will feel very light-hearted, you will feel very relaxed. No, this situation will be challenging. This situation will bring things in your life which will trigger you and challenge you, which is important for your growth. So if you are okay with that, go for it. Otherwise, do not. Thank you.